Welcome. The Agilities Comparison is your tool to explore potential occupations by the similarities or differences in order of their agilities. Before we dive into an example, let's explore a few tips and tricks about the filters that appear in this tool. You can see here that there are 4 filters affecting your search. The tool comes populated with occupations in the healthcare industry, but you can change these based on your filters. A tip when using the filter: if you click All, it will clear quickly. Then you can select your desired filters. Click All again to reset that filter. Now let's dive into an example. Let's say you do not know your top agility, but you do know you want to explore the business and financial industry. So under that filter, click Business and Finance. You can leave required education and wage range at all. So let's see what occupations are available for us to choose from under Compare Agilities. Let's choose Budget Analyst, Cost Estimator, Credit Analyst, Credit Counselor, and Financial Examiner. Quickly, you can see the results populate. You can compare the agilities for the occupation selected and decide for yourself what occupations you might want to explore more. If you hover over the occupation detail box, a pop-up box appears with a brief description of that occupation, and if you click it, a link will appear that takes you to the occupation decoder. The occupation decoder will tell you more about that specific job. Now, if you click on any agility, a pop-up box will appear that tells you a brief description of that agility, as well as a link to more information about that specific agility. If you want to reset your filters, click this reset button in the lower right-hand corner. Final tip: use these buttons in the lower right-hand corner to either download your information or share it with others. There are many ways to interact with this tool. At a high level, you could compare similar careers to understand what is different among them. We just did this with our previous example with occupations in the business and financial industry. You could also compare different careers to see new ways you could use your agilities and how the preparation and pay may vary among them. In this specific example, these occupations require a high school diploma or GED. You can also look at occupations you would like to have from entry level to senior level and which agilities you'll need to grow over time. This is an example from the construction industry. Remember, this is only one example of how you might expand your career pathways using the Career Explorer tools. If you have any questions about using any of the Career Explorer tools, please email us at info@debruce.org. Thank you for listening.